plus I was, like 18 years old, living in an apartment above the business, 100 miles from where I grew up. And I lasted about a year, and the whole thing fell apart around my ears basically, and went bust. And having been, the cocky, kid that had basically more or less everything had gone right up until that point. I'd kind of, most of the things I'd tried, whilst nothing ever works 100% as you expect, I've been cash positive my whole teenage life, and suddenly I was kind of closing a business down, tail between my legs, and having to move back in with my parents, who'd already given my spare room away, my bedroom away, sorry, and so I was in the spare room, yeah, it was relatively humbling, but a really good, I think, a good kick in the nuts like that does teach you some humility, and it's probably better to have it at that age than much later in life.